Welcome to the Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, I'm going to show you how to make a mini chocolate birthday cake. So let's get on with the ingredients. 8 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 7 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 6 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 6 tablespoons of milk, 5 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 egg, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and our last ingredient, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. For our first step, I'll get my egg into a large bowl, and then all of my vegetable oil. And if you don't have vegetable oil, you can use canola oil as well. Then I'll grab my mixer, just start mixing this up a little bit. And then I'm going to add in all of my sugar. Increase my mixer. I just want to mix this up really well. So that's about 30 seconds of mixing, and you can see how nice that has become. And then I'm going to add in all of my milk. My salt. Just a little bit of salt, and now we can sift in the rest of our ingredients. So then we'll grab our cocoa powder, our all-purpose flour, and our baking powder. We'll just get all of that through. Grab the back of a spoon and just push all of this through. Perfect. Grab my mixer one last time. Speed number 1. Now we're just going to slowly get all of this combined. So at this point, this is fully combined. I don't want to overmix it, so that's good. And now we will fill our little pans. What I have here today are 2 mini springform pans. These are made by Wilton. They are 4 inches in diameter. The height is almost 2 inches. It's about 1 3/4 inches high. And I have lined each one with some baking paper or parchment paper. And now the only thing to do is to fill these up. And I do have my oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So at this point my oven is hot and ready to go. Okay, that looks pretty good. And then I'm going to get these onto a little pizza tray. Just clear off the tops. And now these are ready to go into my 350 degree oven. I'm going to bake these for 25 minutes. So here we go, exactly 25 minutes in my 350 degree Fahrenheit oven. At this moment these are extremely hot, so I'm going to let them sit for about 15 minutes and then we'll unmold them. While our chocolate cakes are cooling, let's make the chocolate for the top. In today's video I'm not going to do a chocolate ganache. What I have here is 166 grams of dark chocolate. By volume, this is 8 ounces or 250 milliliters, and it's also 6 ounces by weight. I'm just going to take this, get that right into a large bowl. On the stove behind me, I'm going to start heating up a little bit of water in a pot. I'm going to take my heat-proof glass bowl. I'm going to place it on top. This is known as a bain-marie or a double boiler. And I'm just going to start slowly melting all of my chocolate so that it's all liquid. So we'll just grab one of our cakes and I'm just going to gently remove the bottom. So we have our parchment paper and then the little bottom to our springform pan. I'll just grab my knife and I just want to make it a little bit flat on the top. So nice and gentle, just cut through the middle. That's pretty good. For our last step, Here is the chocolate that we melted down on the double boiler, and that is ready to go. So I melted it down and then I just let it cool for about 10 minutes, and this is ready to pour now. I'll just use a little spoon. I've got a little piece of parchment paper underneath to catch the drippings. We'll just get that on there. So this is a really simple birthday cake. If you've got just 1 or 2 people who are celebrating, it's a perfect size where you can have it all to yourself since it is your birthday. It's a really fun one to do. I think that's good like that. Just a little bit of a tap just makes it nice and smooth, and that's perfect. So now I'm just going to let this set for a little while and then I'll come back. So this is about 15 minutes later. I just moved the cake to a smaller rack so I could get it into my fridge. So this has been chilling for about 15 or 20 minutes and it's almost set on the top. The only thing left to do to make this a birthday cake is to put a nice little candle right down in the middle. And there we have it. So I'm going to transfer this to a little serving plate and I'll be back. So let's lower the lights and light our candle. And there we have it. A really simple birthday cake. And of course, to really finish off this video, I want to show you what this mini chocolate birthday cake looks like inside. See how easily my knife just went through that? Really nice. Let me just wipe off my knife and we'll go in for a little slice. Look at that. See how mini that is? So let me zoom in. Doesn't that look cute? So there we have that really nice moist chocolate cake and that chocolate on the top, and that's dark chocolate, 72%. Look at this, how easily that just breaks apart. Of course I'm gonna have to try a little bit. That is really good and very rich. A really fun one. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you next time.